16 years here on YouTube. I can't believe it. I started when I was in my 20s, and this is the dilemma that I'm having right now. I wanted to share this with you all because there might be some of you that are going through the same issue that I'm going through. There's this hair shampoo that dyes your hair. It's trending all over TikTok. Here it is. The problem that I'm having is that I can't seem to find the correct hair dye that's close to my hair color. So my hair color is, I'm not exactly sure what shade it is, but it's definitely not any of the shampoo bottles that I've gone through. My hair is not black. I'll show you like a close-up of what my hair looks like, but it's kind of like a light brown. At least that's the color that I would like it to be. Supposedly this is like a brown. It's leaving my hair like super light brown. I do not want it light brown. But before that, the first shade is black. Let me tell you a little bit about this hair color or hair treatment or hair nourishment as they promote it to be. It's a hair shampoo that you leave on for 15 minutes. It has some natural ingredients, kind of like a henna, something like that. It dyes your hair, as simple as shampooing it and leaving it on for about 15 minutes. Obviously my hair color is not black, but this one is very dark. If you have black hair, this is perfect for you. I would like to warn you that it's very dark. It's a very pretty dark color. If you want dark, here it is, black. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I don't want to be dyeing my hair as much. I would like my hair to grow long. I want it to be somewhat healthy. I don't want to be applying too much chemicals to it, like harsh chemicals that come from a hair dye, but then I also don't want white hairs. So then I went with dark brown. Next to the black, this one's dark brown. But the problem with this one, it did cover up my grays, and I left it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. As easy as you just hop in the shower and rinse it off. And it lasts super long. So long that I'm going to show you. I applied it from here to here because I was just trying to cover my grays. And I didn't want to mess with the ends because the ends had kind of like a somewhat highlights. So I was just trying to cover up the grays. I didn't have the hair growth yet. And it left it super black. Like, I don't want my hair this dark. To me, it looks like a black. So then I had some more hair growth, more white hairs coming with that. So I bought a different one. I bought this one. I bought another hair dye, which was medium brown or something like that. I'll leave you the name exactly here, but I did buy it on Amazon. I purchased all these from Amazon. So then I went with this one. I'm like, okay, I need the lowest one or the one that comes after that. This one is brown hair dye. Apply dye shampoo to hair. Wait 20 to 25 minutes, then rinse with water. Those are the steps. If you want to know the exact color, it's brown C4. The one before this one left my hair kind of like a honey color. It was not the color I was looking for because I feel like I didn't cover my grays as much. And also it was too light. Now this one, again, I think the same problem. It didn't do too much of the gray coverage and it left like this light color right here. Very light. I'm getting some gray hairs and they're starting to peek through. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to mix those two colors together. I'm not sure what the results will be. I've been trying to get rid of this dark hair color, but it's been really hard to get rid of even though it's like a shampoo kind of, it's not coming off. So I'm going to mix, this time I'm going to mix the supposedly brown with the dark brown. But the dark brown is too dark. So I'm going to mix those. I'm going to be putting a little bit more of this one than the regular whatever brown hair dye. And then we'll see if it works. Okay. I'm going to change shirts because I don't want to get hair dye on this shirt. And I will be right back. I don't like my hair how it is right now currently. I feel like it's so many different shades and I'm not happy with it. But for now, I just want to cover the grays before I try to, I don't know, find a solution to whatever it is. Because I would like to get rid of this darkness here. And I would just like my hair to be like a light brown color, kind of like the ends here. And I would like all of the hair to be kind of like this lighter brown. But I don't want it to look this light. I don't know if you can tell, but right here, this is the dark part. Okay, this is the hair dye shampoo. It comes with gloves and it also comes with a hair mask, a hair cover, and it also comes with, okay, these are the disposable gloves. So what I would do in the past, I just pumped it in my hand and then I just apply it like that. But since I'm going to be mixing those two colors, I'm going to be using a bowl. I'm honestly afraid to use this darker brown because it's so dark. But hopefully, the reason why I had already applied the brown C4 before, but it's too light. So this time I'm going to try to mix in some of this darker brown, experimenting, I guess. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a lot is coming out. I'll do 5 pumps of the dark. But then I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of it because it's so dark. Like, what if it's too dark? And then I'm gonna do maybe 2 pumps of this one. 1, 2. Give it a mix with my gloves. Okay, last time I tried it with a brush. I think it's fine if we just use your finger. I've been using this stuff for a while, but for some reason, okay, there was a time that I had like very light brown hair, and I just kept that other one, honey brown. But then I've been going through a mix of things. Like I got highlights, and then I wanted to cover the grays. I'm just like experimenting to see if this is gonna work. If it spills anywhere, be ready with some wipes, because this stuff stains. I do want to tell you that very little goes a long way. I've been recommending this hair dye to many of my friends, family, and they like it. Like, once they find the right tone, it's worked for them. And guess what? They don't have to spend a lot of money buying hair dye. They just do this. Easy to do at home. I love parting my hair this way, but I just haven't been able to, especially like now that I'm growing all these grays. I still have a lot. I haven't paused the video to get some more. And like, it lathers. If you can see, like, it lathers and it just keeps going. I should have put like some petroleum jelly or something on my forehead, but that's just one thing that I always forget to do. Oh, one thing that I do like about this also is that it doesn't smell so bad like hair dyes. Obviously it does have like a scent or a smell, but it's not like the really bad hair dye that you just can't even breathe and you almost done. I know I'm probably not even doing it right. I'm just putting it in the areas where I'm seeing most of my grays. I can already tell that it's starting to cover. I'm just gonna lather everything. If I was doing this on someone, I wouldn't be like this harsh. It's my head. Okay. Put a hair clip, and then I'm just gonna wait 25 minutes. Hey Siri, set a 25-minute timer.
25 minutes starting now.
Can you tell that it's already starting to darken up my roots? So the next time you see me, you'll see me after I showered, and I'll show you like an after image of what my hair looks like. This is not an ad or anything. I bought this with my own money, but I've known about this for about 3 years. There's the shampoo that dyes your hair. Your mom can even do it on her own. She's gonna lather it in her hair, leave it on for a couple minutes. She's gonna shower, and there she'll have it. I'll see you guys in a bit. This is the final result. It's been a week, but I want to record like the final result and I keep forgetting. But this is what my hair looks like. I've been told that my hair looks darker, but I don't know, maybe when I'm editing, I'll be able to tell. I'm gonna zoom in to show you. The good thing about this hair dye is that it does cover your grays. I'm gonna part my hair in the middle so you can see. My overall review about the shampoo is that it works and it does what it's supposed to do and it lasts. So it's a 10 out of 10. I'm still trying to work with a hair dye tone to see like what's the best mixture for me or find a better shampoo, but it does work.